Hi guys, good morning. In today's video we're going to be doing our morning skincare routine, but with a twist. Bro girl edition, low income earner edition, student friendly, as easy as that, affordable skincare routine video. But first things first, before we even get right into the video, there's no perfect morning skincare routine that doesn't involve water. So we have to drink our water. I already feel hydrated. I feel glowy already. First things first, you have to wash your face. I'm using the Unique soap, and if you've watched most of my videos, you already know this soap by now. It's very affordable and also works so well in brightening and hydrating your skin. I'm going to wet my face so I can apply the soap, working it in and massaging it into my skin in circular motion. I will do this consistently for 60 seconds. Yes, we're going to be using the 60 seconds rule. You're not just going to apply your soap and rinse it out immediately. No, we're going to massage it to get as much benefit and cleanse our face as much as possible. If you are using a treatment soap or a cleanser, make sure you leave it on for a minimum of 2 minutes after working it into your skin for 60 seconds. You want those chemicals like the salicylic acid, niacinamide, and all those good stuff to work on your skin in order to get the best results possible. Yes, our 60 seconds is almost up and we are going to rinse our face. I will be using a lukewarm water and just going over my face with it multiple times until I feel all the soap has been rinsed out. When I'm done with that, I use my face towel to pat dry my face. I do not rub my face, neither do I use my body towel to clean my face. If you don't have a face towel, you can use a paper towel. My face is all dry. Now I can go in with my Dr. Rachel Vitamin C serum. This serum is so hydrating. When applying it, make sure your dropper isn't in contact with your face. Although in the video is quite close to my face, but I made sure it didn't touch my face to avoid bacterial transfer. No matter how clean your face is, it's still dirty. Make sure your face is completely dry before applying your next product. Our next product is the Nivea Perfect Radiant Moisturizer. This moisturizer is totally amazing. It's very hydrating and most importantly, doesn't clog your pores. Applying a moisturizer makes you feel dewy, plump, and radiant. Absolutely love it. It also contains SPF, which is great. It contains SPF 15. Finally, we're going to seal it all in with the Dr. Rachel sunscreen, following the 2-finger rules when applying this sunscreen to our face. This particular sunscreen I used in the video has currently been discontinued as it does leave white cast if not applied properly, so I always apply it with a bit of turmeric oil, which helps it blend seamlessly and looks more glowy. It goes for the price of 3,999 naira. If you're someone who loves to reapply your sunscreen as you should every 2 to 3 hours, I recommend you use the updated version of the sunscreen, which blends way better than this sunscreen. That goes for the price of 4,500 naira. We are going to round this all up with our lip gloss, and just look at that skin. The perfect morning routine. For my night care routine, I basically use this same soap, Unique soap, to wash my face, and a pea size of retinol. This retinol contains 0.05. I apply this much to my face. I just dab it, and rub it, and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this morning routine, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.